How's it going? Chuck here, Sound Survival Tactics, and in this video you will learn how to throw a jab. Now this particular jab comes from the art of Muay Thai, and in Muay Thai the jab is referred to as the number one punch, and that is the punch that you're going to learn today. Now in the art of Muay Thai there's 6 basic punches that you learn at the beginning, and they are simply numbered 1 through 6, jab being number 1. If you're unfamiliar with Muay Thai, I do have playlists of videos, and I'll have that link pop up here where you can go check those out. And now let's get into the jab. So I'll step back here and we'll start off with the guard. So for this particular lesson, I'm going to go past the footwork. Basically it's just a small step forward that you take with the punch itself, and then return back to your stance after you throw the punch. So I just want to focus on the punch itself for this video, and then you can throw the step in later once you get comfortable with the punch. Your feet are going to be shoulder width apart, left foot slightly in front of your right, and your right is slightly pointed out about a 45-degree angle for your guard here. You can reach straight up and then have your elbows come down and kind of rest on your ribs, okay? Hands up, side of your head here. Your rear hand is gonna be, we like to keep our thumb space right here on our cheek, so our thumb's able to touch our cheek. Left hand slightly forward, okay? Up here for the jab. The jab for the Muay Thai is a vertical punch, okay? Not here. Number one punch for Muay Thai for the jab is straight out, okay? Straight out, vertical fist, looking down your arm, chin tucked, cheeks kind of here, rear hand on the side, keep your cover here. Straight back. This is the number one punch or the jab. Straight out, looking down the barrel, bring it back, right back. Number one, jab, jab. Now, you want it to feel like kind of like a whipping motion, right? Which comes from your shoulder here. So if you were doing this without the punch, you could do this just with your shoulder, right? Boom. When you see that, it wants to push my fist forward. So starting at the shoulder, punch it out there. Now you can do the same with your rear hand. So you can do 1-1, 1-1, 1-1, 1-1, 1-1, 1-1. Right? Trying to keep them close to your chin here as you can. For those of you familiar with Wing Chun, this is the same punch as this. You're just starting from here. Wing Chun, okay? Muay Thai, 1-1. 1-1, 1-1. All right, that's the jab. That's how you throw the jab or the number one punch from Muay Thai. Go ahead and practice that. Let me know if you have any questions. Give the video a thumbs up if you liked it. Share it out. Hit that subscribe button and get notified of future videos as they come out. Take care, and we'll see you soon on the next one. Bye for now.